Are you confident your current retirement strategy will meet your needs? Life changes and market fluctuations can leave even the best-laid plans feeling uncertain. That's where a retirement reset can make all the difference. A retirement reset is about evaluating and adjusting your savings to protect your future, reduce risk, and ensure your money works smarter for you. Whether you're nearing retirement, navigating a job change, or just feeling unsure about market volatility, now is the perfect time to explore your options. Life insurance and annuities are two powerful tools that can bring stability, growth, and flexibility to your retirement. Let's start with life insurance. Products like Indexed Universal Life Insurance, or IULs, offer tax-deferred growth tied to market performance, but with protection against losses. You can build cash value over time, which can be accessed for retirement expenses or emergencies, all while securing a tax-free death benefit for your loved ones. Annuities, on the other hand, are designed to provide guaranteed income, ensuring you'll never outlive your savings. Fixed annuities offer predictable payments, while indexed annuities allow for growth tied to the market, but without the risk of losing your principal. They're ideal for covering essential expenses or supplementing other retirement income. Here's how a retirement reset might work. You could roll over an existing 401k, IRA, or other retirement accounts into an annuity or a life insurance policy. This helps diversify your savings, protect against market downturns, and create a predictable income stream for life. Plus, these strategies often come with significant tax advantages, like tax-deferred growth and penalty-free access to funds in certain cases. But the benefits don't stop there. For example, annuities can help ensure you'll never outlive your money, a critical concern for many retirees. IULs offer the flexibility to use built-up cash value for things like healthcare costs or legacy planning. Imagine entering retirement with the peace of mind that your savings are secure, your income is steady, and your family is protected. That's the power of a retirement reset. If you're ready to explore how this could work for you, let's connect and create a plan tailored to your goals. Your retirement should be a time of confidence, not concern. Let's make it happen together.